Hello friends, welcome to All About Mould. Today we are going to discuss about external undercut, which is used in plastic injection mold, and we are going to create the lifter for this external undercut, and this part is used in automobile. Okay, see, this is the undercut, and this dimension is around 3.36. Okay, for this we are going to do lifters. Before that we need to do core and cavity extraction. So let's start it. Create a plane here. This area, okay. 0, and this line we will consider as a parting line, okay. So for this, go to mold tools, parting lines, then select the plane, draft analysis, okay. See, automatically create the it has created parting line, okay. You can also create by manual like this. Just click on the parting line, okay, and follow the arrow, and in keyboard you can use y means s, okay. See, this message is showing that the parting line is complete. The mold can be separated into core and cavity, okay. Say okay. See, and now after this, go to parting surface, mention the dimension for parting surface. I'll put here 20. After that, go to tooling split, click on the surface and sketch a draw. You can also mention the dimensions as per your requirement, and then width, okay. And make it symmetric, okay. And this one, 1 2 3, symmetric, okay. And you can put the dimension for insert thickness, and I will take 40 by 40, okay. After this step, click OK. See, now core and cavities are created, and separate this core and cavity by using move command. Okay, this is the core and this will be the cavity, and after that you can add the color for identification as per your requirement, okay. And core side, then save it, and after this just make cut section, this is the undercut. We can't eject the part like this. Okay, so for this purpose we need to create the lifter like this. Okay, so I will show you how to make lifter. Add this component area. Okay, now take a plane, make it symmetric. After that, sketch lifter. See, this is the undercut. We need to just create a parting line here. This one I will take it as a 10 mm angle. Okay, you can ask why it is including 10 angle. Okay, I will tell you. As per the undercut dimension, I have considered this angle 10. Okay, 10 degree. See, this is 3.36 undercut dimension is there, and as per that undercut is 3.36. Okay, and I will consider it as 5 mm for safety purpose. Okay, and component height is around 22 is there, and I will take it as 30. Okay, for this undercut 5 mm divided by ejector stroke 30 mm. Okay, 1.6 convert into tan inverse 9.46. So for round up I will take it as 10 degree. Okay, for this now go to Mould tools, core. See, you can have a width size. You can maintain the width of the lifter. Okay, 7 by 7. It will be total length will be 14 mm. Just say okay. You can also keep it as 5 by 5. So 5 will be very closer to the parting line. So better take it as 8 mm. You need to select the body, then okay. Now it is created the lifter. See, this is the lifter. Add the main body. See, lifter block is created. For this also same method, it will be used same method only. Okay, and this is the pocket where lifter is going to fit here, and we need to create a hole here. After that So I'll put a hole here. Lifter block, lifter block rod, you can use it as a 10 mm. Okay, 10 will be more size. For example, I am showing this one. Okay, see, this is the lifter block, and it will be the rod which is used to hold the lifter block. Okay, see, this is the lifter. Okay, part will be ejected from this direction. Okay, in angle of 10 degree, then part will get eject from the core inside. This is the simple method of creating the lifter. So thanks for watching, and in next video I will show you how to create mold base for this mold, and we will do overall full molding of this component. Thank you for watching.